Hello friends, welcome back to Shomu Biology, and today this is not a video regarding any of the subject. This is a video about the unboxing of our gold button. Yes, I recently got the gold button from YouTube. I thank YouTube very much for providing this in within 15 days, even in this middle of the pandemic. So I thought like it will come later, but it finally arrived. This is the package that I got. Okay, and almost this traveled almost half of the countries around the globe. So finally it reached my house, and today I'm going to do the unboxing. And there's nothing much to say here. Actually, I'm very excited to see what is in there, because earlier when I hit the 1 lakh subscriber, I got the silver play button. The silver play button was early design, that is the button itself and the glass frame, but now they are not providing glass frame because of the chance of breakage. I think it's a good idea that they use this kind of full metal body now. So I'm going to unwrap this for all of you guys. So let me put it here in this side. Okay, so it is delivered to me via UPS courier first, and then when it reached in our locality, we don't have any UPS courier service, so they delivered it via DTDC courier in our location in West Bengal, particularly in Hooghly district. So I need to cut something else. I think I need to cut it here as well. Yes. So super excited to see what is inside here right now. Here it is, and I'm going to open the box. So this is the moment, okay? This is the moment for which we work so hard for all, like so many years we've been working in this thing, and this is just like the best gift. The reason behind it, there are many other awards or anything that we can get. As a content creator, when you feel recognized, not only about the golden play button, this is as a symbol only, but the idea that 1 million people, they subscribe to our channel, they watch our channel regularly, they follow our videos regularly, that gives us a sense of satisfaction, and that is the biggest reward, I believe. But this is just a symbol. But yes, so this is it. Huge size. This is in huge size. It's almost thrice, I think, 3 times bigger than that received. And this is that YouTube letter that we also received one for the silver play button, but this time they give us a little solid page. This page is little higher GSM page, and what is written again, it's not a custom one. This is a simple, like the same message written for everyone. It is written that you are bigger than Vancouver, you are bigger than Venice, you are even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers. Maybe you have imagined that day for a long time, or maybe you never thought you'd grow so big. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, that your ideas, that your voice speaks to 1 million people across the globe. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is reward enough, but we are incredibly proud of all you have done. So we hope you will accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem. With your track record, we suspect we are only going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone. That is 10 million subscribers. Although I don't know whether I can reach it there or not. It may seem far away, but remember the days when you were psyched to have 1,000. Yes, definitely I remember those days. To get first 1,000 subscriber, it took almost kind of a year at the beginning. You have amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You are the inspiration for everything we do. So, sincerely, Suzanne Wojcicki. I always pronounce her name wrong, so please don't mind. So this is the letter that I got from YouTube here. So yeah, there are a few things which are always the same. We never thought as an education channel, particularly as a biology education channel for a higher studies, not even for the NEET and all, reach 10 lakh subscribers. It was a big thing. So I want to thank all my subscribers who subscribed. Like right now, currently we are getting 30,000 subscribers a month, 30,000 subscriber a month kind of thing from the last few months. So thank you for everyone who is being tuning to us and have a faith in Shomu's Biology. I keep on doing this work because it's not only about the awards, but about, as I said, as this letter said, it's not only the award, it's just a symbol, but the idea of satisfaction that I see in the eyes of my students, because we here running a channel of education, hardcore education channel. So obviously, if I'm going to touch, at least if I touch any one or two people's life, and if I change any one or two of them of their lives, I will feel myself really, really rewarding. That itself is the biggest reward. But here it is, the gold play button, and there is something else given. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. You are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want to experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick, for taking care of my award and putting a custom name in the award section in here. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us. My product is kind of looking okay, so let me share the glimpse of this product with you right now. This is it. This is how it looks like, okay? This is how it looks like. It's pretty big. So I need to go backward to show you this reward. So here you can see, this is the golden play button. This is big enough. You can clearly see how much big it is. This is the part of the golden play button that they are now offering. Earlier it was all glass, but now it's totally fully metal. And this award says Shomu's Biology, and it is engraved, kind of popping up outside, for passing 1 lakh subscribers. This is big. This is huge to me. Not only this as a gift, but as a symbol. Like, this many people are tuning into my channel. They watch my videos, they love my videos, they subscribe to our channel. So I want to make this effort that I put to start this channel. I always want to continue with this, because Shomu's Biology is not created as only coaching center. It is created as a symbol to share ideas about the biological science. The passion for biological science must be passed on from one to the others. Nowadays, when I see many students of mine, they're opening their own channel. And because many people told me that they are opening their own channel, they are watching your videos and they are making their own videos. I never got angry about it. The reason behind it, I find like this is a journey. I cannot stay there throughout of all of my life. So I need to pass the torch to someone. So obviously there will be my student, someone who is now doing this, who will be doing this in the future, right? So the symbol lives on. The message lives on. Maybe the person may be changed, but the message should live on. This is the idea right now. Although I have plenty of years to come to serve you and to share the videos with all my subscribers and students. But again, thank you YouTube for this. Thank you everybody who supported Shomu's Biology for this time. And I thank all of them very, very much. And obviously, this gift is not only for me, but for me as well as my wife. Both working together day and night, hard enough to keep this channel going. So obviously I'll be putting a video of, I'll be putting a picture of this to my website and also this video will be there in the YouTube. So thank you everyone. That's what I can say at the end. So I'm literally speechless of like seeing this in my hand right now. I can't bear, I don't know what to say actually at this present moment. This is something which need to be done in the solitary condition. So I need to stay alone for a few time with this right now. So thank you everyone for supporting us. Keep supporting us like that so that we can grow enough. 10 million is I don't believe in the numbers anymore again, but again, I want to do the work. I want to do the best work possible. I want to spread as much as I can. And I want to spread biological science as much as I can. I want to make the biological science research as a mainstream so that common people also understand about the importance of life sciences. Okay, in India as well as around the globe. Thank you everyone. Thank you for. So, bye.